it's a new day. Gonna get this finished up. Yamaha DT100. I've got the cone on here. It's actually on pretty good. I have electrical tape, then Gorilla tape, then put the clamp on, I guess just for show. The choke is working. That choke stayed up that entire time that I was inside. It's been, just coming right back down. So I had already cleaned out and rebuilt the carburetor before the clips came out of the piston. Got this back on. I need to tighten up I lubed up the chain. I need to actually, that's not too bad. I thought I'd tighten it up a little bit more, maybe a turn or two back here. But that's actually pretty good. So, got a lot of tread left on these old tires. So they're not like dry rotted at all or anything. They're in really good condition. So, as knobby of a tire as they are, and the conditions that are out right now, it is no longer like zero. There's not a whole lot of snow on the ground. I think I'm gonna go take this around and rip it around the yard a little bit. So, no, is that gas tank up all the way? I mean, yeah, it's in that. Oh, that's weird. Huh. All right. That's not completely filling up. I don't know if there's something blocking. If the petcock is clogged up a little bit or what's going on there. But I don't know. I'm excited to get this running today and see how she goes. Going ahead, and I went with different handlebars because they're so low. I never really thought handlebars made a big difference or a difference at all, really, until you really start to look in how wide your hands are and how like hunched over I was. So these are off of a dirt bike frame I have over here, a Honda, like an 84 Honda XR80. And obviously it's like almost a kid's bike. So it's like an inch shorter, almost 2 inches shorter on each side and like an inch taller. So I think those will be pretty cool up there instead. Fits perfectly in those grooves already. It just like even looks better already, I think. So, all right, let me get this on, put the clutch and everything on there. I'm not going to put the battery. I have a battery, motorcycle battery, and a little like mount that I've made to like hold it right there. And it runs a tail light and a headlight that's on there already. But I'm not going to worry about that until like springtime or maybe tonight if I want to ride. So stay tuned. I mean, it doesn't look a whole lot different to you guys, but it makes a big difference when you're sitting on it. I like those handlebars. I'm going to paint those up or just keep it crappy looking to match this until I find out if this frame is original paint or what the heck is going on, because I haven't seen a lot of orange ones. So, and then I will touch everything up or recolor everything. I'm not sure I like that or not. I don't know. It does have my favorite number on it though, number 2. So I just didn't mess with it so far. I'm gonna get a Yamaha seat cover. That's just stupid. Just makes it all look stupid. So, all right. Thanks for watching. We'll see. Shoot a little video of me ripping around the backyard here later. All right. Let's try to get this thing started again. Run it and try to, get a little wear and see if that piston holds up and doesn't fall off. Alright, I'm gonna go no choke. This bad boy just drips. Not sure why it's stalling right there. Neighbor's not warming up, I don't know.
Where the Lions were actually playing
you say we go actually ride? Come on, man. Hats for encouragement. Something's wrong with the cars. All right, let's go. Want another half turn on the air screw adjust on the carb. Let's see what that does. say I did it. I'm just joking. I'm not that arrogant. I'm just proud, man. I'm proud of what I've done. It's a piece of crap to a lot of you, but once I switch the seat out, do a few things, kind of put some of the headlights and taillight stuff back on, it'll come around. At least she's got a good heartbeat. I just gotta seal up this part of the exhaust. Seems to be idling fine. I'm worried about a little bit of knocking sound in here on the top end. But I don't know how a good running GT100 should sound. I know I still need to make some adjustments on the carb. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna have to seal up that exhaust leak right there. Not sure what I should do there yet. But starts first kick every time now. I love this bike. So glad I saved it. Alright, I know I keep saying it, but pretty much done. Obviously, I'd like the original switch and everything over here to be hooked up to the actual like lights, turn signals, stuff like that. I have these older style turn signals and a few cool things I'd like to put on it, or it might go LED, I'm not sure. But just excited to have the old girl back up and running. So I say we rip it around the backyard a little bit in the dark and make sure she's completely done. All right. Hasn't been, or it's not as cold as it has been, but it's still pretty cold out here. Go with the choke. Should have gave him my throttle. only going to idle. That's all the way up. Alright, that's fine. I'll have to adjust the needle, or the position of that little clip on the needle. Cruise is good. I like the way the light's positioned. Good deal. Carb just needs adjusted. It's getting too much fuel. It's too rich.